Hey folks, got a good one for you tonight. Lemon pepper wings. And I'm gonna tell you how I made them. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got one question for you tonight. What's freaking cooking? Can tell you what's cooking tonight on the Real Kitchen Daddy Show tonight. Gonna do something very simple, very easy. Gonna take me 20 minutes to do it. Only took me 5 minutes to prepare it. I'm gonna make some lemon pepper chicken wings tonight. Very easy. Gonna do it all in my Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Simple ingredients. Got some chicken wings here. Got some olive oil here. Got some seasoned salt here. Got the lemon pepper that I'm gonna add to it. A little chicken broth. Remember I told you guys, got the Rika. That's my girl. The Rika gonna make it really brown for me. Got the Rika, and I'm gonna top it off. I got some garlic butter here that I'm gonna put some of these wings in. And guess what? I'm gonna zest this lemon right here for you. When I add it to the garlic butter, and I'm gonna marinate these wings a little bit before I finish it off. Give it a powerful lemon zesty taste to these wings. You gonna love it, folks. Give me a few minutes, get everything prepared for you. Be right back. Hey folks, welcome back. Let's get through first stage here. The first stage is gonna be pressure cooking our wings, okay? It's gonna be a very simple process. In the pressure cooker, you need about 8 minutes. Instructions say in Ninja Foodi instructions recipe book, it says about 6 minutes, but I usually do mine about 8 minutes because like I said before, when I take my wings, I'm gonna take my wing from this side to this side of my arm. I'm gonna pop it off. So that's what I'm trying to do for you tonight. So I put a little 8 minutes on it. So the first thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna put a little chicken broth into your Ninja Foodi. Now the reason why I'm putting a little chicken broth in there is because you need to add some type of liquid in here. You can add a little broth, you can add water to this. You've seen me in my ribs, you saw me throw some beer in there on my ribs. So I usually put some type of liquid in here. But when I'm doing my wings, I like to put a little broth in it, give it a little extra seasoning on that. Very simple. Got my wings in my basket here. Just gonna drop them in. Got my pressure cooker lid right here. Gonna put it on there. Gonna seal it in. Boom, sealed it in. Got my seal thing on seal. Okay. I got my pressure cooker on high. I got the 8 minutes on it. And I'm gonna let it rock. That's simple. Let's start. Hey folks, while the wings are pressure cooking right now, I decided that I'm gonna get this zesty sauce ready for me. So when the wings are ready, I can just mix that up real quick. So what I did was I melted my butter real quick. I got a little olive oil. You don't want that much olive oil. I'll give you the instructions here when I will put it in my descriptions. I'm just gonna put a little olive oil in here. Maybe a teaspoon. Still stirring it up a little bit. And now I'm about to zest this lemon. So let me zest the lemon. I'm zesting. Oh, I can smell that lemon. Oh my goodness, it's gonna smell good. Zesting this lemon. Got the zest there on the lemon. I'm just gonna throw that right on in here. Throw it right on in there. Just like that. It's a combination there, it's a combination. So I got the combination of the butter, got a little olive oil in there, got the lemon zest that I threw in there, and I've also got that garlic butter. So all that just came together real nice. So after my wings get done, I'm gonna put those wings in a mixing bowl. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this sauce on those wings. I'm gonna put the wings in the air fryer part of this operation, get it real crisp with some paprika on it. Then I'm gonna add some more of that lemon pepper on it, and it'll bring everything right together. So prepare for yourself for that. It's gonna bring it all together. Okay, folks, be right back. Hey, folks, welcome back. The chicken wings are now finished pressure cooking. I've already released the steam, But let's take a look at them. I didn't want to pull them out yet without you guys seeing them. These, ooh, look at them. They're in their pre-stage now. Right now, basically your wings are really done. We're not gonna eat these wings the way they look right now. Now here's where the magic happens. Take these wings out, put them in my little bowl here. We're gonna prepare the wings for the air frying operation here. I'm gonna pull them out quickly. We're gonna take our lemon, zest, garlic butter, olive oil mixture here, and we're just gonna dazzle them on the wings. Dazzle them on the wings. I'm saying dazzle them on the wings because that's what we're doing. We're making these wings razzle dazzle. So we gotta dazzle them on these wings. We're gonna dazzle them on the wings. Okay. I got them now dripping wet. Mix it up a little bit. Mix them up a little bit. Roll them around like that. Put a little seasoning salt on them. Just a little bit, because your lemon pepper also has some sodium in it. So I just want to get a little seasoned salt on it. Dazzle them up again a little bit. Here's my girl coming. Here's my Rika coming. The Rika gonna come. Put some Rika on them. Make these things nice and brown for you. Mix it around a little bit. Put a little more Rika on it. Just like that. Next stage, we're gonna put a little bit of this lemon pepper season on it. Just a little bit for right now. We're gonna finish it up when it comes out with a little bit more. Mix it in there once again. A little bit more lemon pepper. Look what we got, folks. Look what we got. I'm gonna put them back into the Ninja. Ooh, look what we got. Looking good. Just a little bit more Rika on it. I like my wings to have a little color on it. A little brown tint to it. Just a little bit more. Got it all covered. All right, now folks, we're gonna put it to the air fry operation here. We'll close our lid. Air crisp. The temperature is gonna be 390 degrees. We're gonna put this on for 15 minutes. And once it gets around the 7-minute mark, we're gonna pop the lid. Make sure that we're not overcooking. Make sure they're not too crisp. Shake them up a little bit and then let it finish off. So I'll be right back and push the button for these 15 minutes. Hey folks, I'm at the 7-minute mark. Let's see how these wings are looking. Oh my goodness, they're getting brown on me. They're getting brown on me. I like that. I'm just gonna shake them up a little bit. I'm gonna mix them up a little bit while I have it in the Ninja. Just like that. Put the top down. We'll hit the button for my last 7 minutes. Be right back with the finished product. All right, folks, welcome back. I'm ready to do the final stages of these wings right now, okay? I got my lemon pepper sauce. The wings came out looking amazing. They're all brown. I'm gonna put some lemon pepper sauce on them, seasoning on them, I'm sorry. I'm gonna stir them up in there. Didn't want to put a lot on the final stage because we got that lemon zest in there already. Just put a little bit. I don't want to just be overpowered with just lemon. I got the wings done. Look how brown they came out. That Ninja Foodi Air Crisp, man, it's nothing but the bomb. It'll make your wings crisp right up. You don't have to do all that old-fashioned frying those wings in that grease to get the same results, okay? I gave these wings some of that lemon zest. I put some of that lemon pepper on it, the last step of it. And guess what I'm gonna do for you folks? I'm gonna bite into a wing for you. Let me bite into a wing for you. That lemon pepper is going crazy in my mouth right now. Wow, that lemon pepper going crazy in my mouth. It reminds me of an old song. It's loving you is wrong. Oh my God. I don't want to be right wing. Woo! Jeez. Woo! It all came together, like I told you it would. All came together. Okay, folks, once again, on a serious tip, a very easy recipe to follow. I'll put it out in the descriptions for you. I encourage you to try this recipe. Very easy, it's quick, anyone can do this, okay? If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, keep joining me. I'm getting there. I know I mess up a lot, but I'm getting there, folks. Because this chicken wing right here, make you just want to drop it. So, until next time, bon appetit. Thank you for joining. Peace.